What's good, y'all? It's your Martini back at it again with another video. You already know it is. You already know what it is. And I'm whispering because I'm in my bag. I'm at the eye doctor's. Not for me. I'm here with someone else. But I figured I'd do a little vlog today. I don't know why. Just kind of in the mood to just record. But if you're not new here, my name is Martini. So nice to meet you. I have glasses on because I look atrocious right now. I'm not feeling my best. And if you're not new here, hola, ¿cómo estás? It's so good to see you again. Welcome back to another video. Today, right now I'm at the eye doctor's. America's best. I'm not getting anything done today. Might show y'all the glasses that I was trying on earlier. I didn't record, but maybe after. But yeah, I don't know where the day's gonna take me today. I don't know where the day's gonna take me. I want to cook today, so I think I'm gonna cook today. Make some turkey burgers with some fries, maybe some biscuits and gravy because I've been craving that. It's so quiet, but there's someone back here. It's just me, myself, and I back here. It's just me, myself, and I. But anyways, that's the plan for today. I want to do some nails today. I just need like a whole repayment. Like I just feel like my life right now is just not how I want it to be right now. So I'm a little stressed. I'm a little stressed right now, but you know what? I need to pray and give it to God. Because right now I'm just mad at the world and I'm mad at him, mad at myself. You know, just all the above right now. I feel like I need to touch up my hair again. My roots are going on. I think I'm just gonna bleach it. I'm not gonna cut my hair. I think I'm just gonna bleach my hair. Just one time. I need to do purple shampoo, but I think I need to bleach my hair like once today. Just to feel like myself, like I just feel like I need to be like glamorized. I have not been glamorized for myself in like a long time. Like I haven't worn nails in months. The last time I wore nails was on my cruise that I went to in February, which I still need to post the photos of, but I went on my cruise in February. It was nice, it was fun. A little good time, you know what I'm saying? A little good time. A long time since I've been glamorized. It's been a long time since I've like gotten done up for me just because I want to, or just do it for fun. It's been so long. But anyways, yeah. Enough talking. See you on the next clip.
See, I like this color, but I can't do this shit.
Those are very different. Oh, those were Coach.
So they have
Not much, so I don't need to. That's what he said.
waiting for him to bring me a prescription out. On one of those eyeglass where you can order eyeglasses.
I'm home now. Oh my gosh, look at my hair. Sorry, that's not the point of this video. I made it home now. I'm gonna do a little haul of what I got. I didn't get a lot today. Shoes that I got, aren't these cute? Like, look at these. And normally this is not the type of style that I go for. Really isn't. But I think I'm gonna wear these tomorrow for church. I think I am. Because they're just too cute. Like, look at these. I was gonna get the Juicy Couture ones, and I saw this other pair. It was leopard print. And they had like a little bow on the front, but they weren't in my size, so I didn't get them. At least that about, because those were really, really cute. But I got these, and they're very, like, you can wear these anywhere. And normally, I'm not a bow girl. I'm really not. I just realized I have 3 pairs of slippers that have bows in them. And I'm just now saying I'm not a bow girl. Crazy, I know. I got these headphones just for right now. I'm going to test them out later. And if they work, they work. If they don't, they don't. And I also got these lipsticks that show the shade ranges. I've been wanting some more deeper toned lipsticks. I might swatch one on my lips on camera. I just don't know which one. Okay, so I think this one is the more brown one, so let's just see what it looks like. I think the third one is the more brownish one, which is the third one in the pack. Okay, let's just see what it looks like. Oh, it's not as pigmented as I thought it was gonna be, but it's not bad. It's a little more on the darker side for me, but I'm not mad at it. This is definitely like my go-to color. I definitely would have to line my lips line my lips with a darker color around my lips. Let's see with one of the red shades. I might add some color in the center, so let's see what that looks like. One of the reds that caught my eye the most on the packaging, so it's the first one. Let's just see. Oh yeah, they're very smooth. I definitely would still have to line my lips with a, hold on, I think I have, give me 1 second because I got my brown lip pencil in my bag. Okay, so this is now it with my lip liner. I think this just needs gloss. Like, I can wear this on its own, and I think also because my face is obviously not done, so it's gonna look a little odd to me, but I think if I added a gloss on top, this would work. It's not as bad anymore, but I'm not mad at it. And I'll swatch the other ones on my hand, so I'll put a picture somewhere up here of what they look like somewhere. But you know, so this is what it looks like with my lips lined. And when it comes to me wearing certain lipsticks, or just lipsticks in general, I have to line my lips. Now, since I'm so used to lining my lips, I have to do it. So yeah, this is what they look like now. I ain't mad at it. They look cute. Alright, so that's it for my shopping haul on my end. That's all I got, really. But back to the boba place. So I want to put it up here because I forgot the name already. But I got a brown sugar milk tea, and it was so good. It was so good. So I'm gonna leave everything like up here somewhere, or I'll put it down below in the description. If you're in the Fort Myers, the High Acres area, go to them. And they got like little snacks too. I didn't get food because I'm gonna cook at home. I'm gonna eat at home. I'm gonna make food at home. But yeah, all right, I'm gonna chill for a bit. I'm tired. I did not sleep well last night. And then I'll come back when it's time to cook, and I'll show y'all what I'm doing today. Today, I want to do, if we don't have any buns, then I'm going to do some turkey sliders with some fries, and I wanted to make something else. Oh yeah, biscuits and gravy. I might save that for tomorrow. Should I make this a Saturday, Sunday vlog? Guess I can. I guess I can. We'll see. Anyways, I'm gonna just go ahead and chill out, and I'll see y'all when it's time to cook in the kitchen, because I had to let the meat thaw out. Meat's gotta thaw out before you try to cook it. Alright, see you in a bit. Alright, yeah, so change of plans. I'm not making turkey burger sliders thingamabobbers today, but I am making fries. I made myself a bowl of some ramen. Right now, some spicy ramen. I have to wait until the bowl is cooled down for me to hold it, because I ain't gonna hold it hot. I ain't gonna risk burning my tongue nor my hands to eat food. Okay. I'm just gonna chill. I'm gonna eat my ramen. I'm waiting for the potatoes to cool down a little bit so I don't burn my fingers trying to cut them and do what I gotta do to them, you know. So I'll show me making the potatoes, and we're just gonna make the turkey burger slider thingamabobbers tomorrow. So this will be a weekend vlog. So this will be a Saturday, Sunday vlog. Yeah, I will see y'all whenever the next clip is, or tomorrow. Y'all wanna know what the crazy thing is? when y'all saw me put the french fries in the air fryer, right? Tell me why, while I'm doing the dishes, it decides to stop working. Now, mind you, we've had this for a while, so we've been kind of having problems with it. But later down the line, we found out that the model that we have, it's not just us having the problem. Everyone that has had the model of air fryer that we have, they have issues with it. So we didn't break it. That's just how it is. So I'm waiting for the oven to heat up. I put it on 360 because they don't really need to get, I mean, obviously crispy. Yes, we love some good crispy, but not like super crunchy to the point where you feel like you're gonna chip a tooth. That's not enjoyable. Yeah, so we're just gonna put them in the oven instead. It is currently 8:51. I want to do my hair. I was gonna put nails on tonight. I'm just gonna do that tomorrow. I'm just ready to call it a day. I'm tired. Woke up tired. I mean, I was fine earlier today. Like when I left the house, I was fine. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead, just wait for the oven to heat up, and I will check in a few. Alright, good morning. It is Sunday. We just finished getting ready for church. We're about to head out in a few minutes. I gotta go put my shoes on. Okay. I gotta go put my shoes on. We gotta go. Right, so I gotta pop in and say good morning, and I'll fill y'all in when it's time to do all the other stuff. Right. See y'all after church. Currently in Walmart after we just got off from church like a couple minutes ago. Now we're in Walmart. It's cold. It's very cold in here. Very cool.
Not cactus.
I like this one.
Yeah,
I
like this one.
Then, oh, look, that one's got the flower. Oh,
Oh,
the
yeah.
flowers.
Oh, this one. What? Oh, yeah. That's this too. Oh. Yeah, I like the flowery ones. Like we have to get them, and then
That's a pretty.
yeah, that's pretty. You know they have black ones? They're gorgeous.
Yeah, the black ones are pretty.
Yeah, like calla lilies.
Alright, so we just got back home. I took my lashes off because I was tired of wearing them. You see my bra. But we just got back home. I'm ready to chillax, but I gotta season the meat for the turkey burger slider things, whatever, because I still don't know what I'm doing with that. All I know is that I want a burger. I want a burger. And some fries. Ooh, I might do some biscuits and gravy today because we got whipping cream. I might do that because I really want some biscuits and gravy. I'm just like, ladies, you get it. When it gets close to that time, you just want to eat everything, or maybe it's the opposite for you and you don't want to eat nothing. Me, I want to eat. I want to eat everything in sight, even if I don't even like it. That's not true. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and change out my clothes, wash my face. I have the oven set for 360 to just reheat the fries from yesterday because they're not as crunchy as I wanted them to be. And I might make more. We'll see. But yeah, I'll show y'all what I'm gonna season the meat with. And I will check back in when it is time to make some food. I wonder where I left off, y'all. Hold on, I need something on my lips. Hold sure this is going to be the end. I'm pretty sure the last thing I talked about was I showed y'all my turkey burger that I made, but I think this is gonna be the end of this video. I did not make biscuits and gravy. I'm full, I'm good. I can't eat nothing else. I am good. I'm trying to hold back on having some ice cream. I'm trying to hold back because I don't need it right now. I really don't. I just want it because it just sounds so good. Y'all, if y'all go to Publix, try the cappuccino fudge blitz ice cream. It is so good. Oh, it is so good. But anyways, I think this is it for today's video. So like this video if you want more vlogs. Screaming. Anyways, like this video if you enjoyed this video. Comment down below if you want more vlogs like this. And also, like, let me know down below what other videos you want me to do, because I'm always open to suggestions. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. If you enjoyed this video, you enjoyed all the other videos on my channel. Welcome to the Fun Media. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Share this video with anyone who you think would enjoy my content or any of my videos. You know, just share. And then post notifications so you know when I post, which is every once in a blue moon. And I think that's it. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Wait, subscribe. Post notifications, and I will see you in the next one. This is